My name is Sweet.
Hi, my name is Mark.
Hi, my name's Colin.
Hi, my name is Claire.
Together, we are the Team Camera!
Yay!
Look at that, our chicken.
That's definitely spinning.
Spinning around. And
It's like a fire. That's right.
fire. Crystal ball.
Go careful because it's really hot.
The chicken is heating up. Oh. And it's stood.
Yes, your dinner is getting ready. Wow.
It's like popcorn. And it's ready. Moisha, look at the skin there. It's like popping. Look.
Yes.
Look at that.
Our dinner
this
is
says
getting
like
ready.
a pot. It says very pot. Right? Right? It's bits are popping. See? I mean bouncing. I
Wow.
want this for us, definitely. Who's checked? Who's good?
Check this out.
Oh, you just make a joke. Actual joke. Check this out. As in, check this out.
Check this out.
Where? Bouncy.
Oh, it's turning.
It keeps turning and I still get that dizzy.
Yay!
That chicken's really barbecue.
Look and see how our chicken's doing. It's beeped and the timer and it's shut off. Wow, I think that's definitely cooked. Look at that.
Look at
Still nice and juicy, look. No drying out, anything. Still nice and juicy. Ooh. Perfect. So we'll close the lid down to keep it nice and warm.